What's up YouTube guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Anaconda and Jupyter and set it up on your computer. First, we go to Google browser to find the link of Anaconda. Anaconda is a free and open source simplified package management and deployment, and it's a distribution of the Python and R programming language for scientific computing. And here is Anaconda's website. And find the Get Started and Get In. And we can see the link of Install Anaconda in the Visual Edition and Get In. And go down the page and find the Anaconda's installers. And choose the suitable files for your computer's environment and download it, and it will take you some time. Alright, the files downloaded, and we're gonna execute the installer. Next, agree, next, install. Next, and finish. Alright, we're gonna execute Anaconda. And you can see there is Jupyter in Anaconda Navigator, and launch it. Alright, we have got into Jupyter, but we can see its default background is too bright to see, so we're gonna change it. Open Anaconda prompt. And we type pip install. Upgrade Jupyter's themes, and enter. And type JT-L, and we can check the name of themes, and we select Oceans 16 to change, and we type JT-T Ocean 16-T, enter. Okay, close the prompt and close the Jupyter and restart it. Alright, it seems better and it's good for eyes. And we're gonna open a new folder and a new Python file and write the first Python code on Jupyter. First, we create a new folder. And rename it Jupyter Data. And get into the folder and create a new Python file. and we also rename it test hello. And now we can start to write the first Python code. We type print bracket double quotation mark hello Lativa and shift enter. Alright, you can see your computer output hello Lativa. It is very easy. Alright, today we talk about how to install Anaconda and Jupyter and change the background of Jupyter and write the first Python code on Jupyter. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.